Hello kids, I am Priyanka Rial. In this video, I am covering CBSE 6th Standard Science Chapter 1 name Food. Where does it come from? So first I'll explain what is food. Food is something that people or animal eat to live, or the components that we consume which provides nourishment and energy to our body is called food. Now what are the importance of food? Food helps in the growth of all living organism. It helps to repair and replace damaged parts of our body. It provides energy which is required for various activities. It provides protection from infections and various diseases. Food helps in the overall growth and development of an organism. We should always eat healthy and balanced diet, and different people eat different types of food according to their habits, according to their lifestyle, according to their taste, reason, religion, and various other factors. Even in a single family, different people have different choices of food. So these all are the importance of. Now what are the ingredients? Food ingredients are the materials which are required to prepare the dish, and these we can obtain from plant sources and animal sources. For example, if we cook vegetable curry, so we need different types of vegetables, salt, spices, oil, etc. These all are the ingredients which we use for preparing food. Now, what are the main sources of food? There are two main sources of food, plants and animals. From plants, we get fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, etc. And from animals, we get milk, meat, fish, eggs, and all the dairy products we get from the animals. So these two are the main sources of food. What are the plant source? Several parts of the plant serve as sources of food. From plant we get fruits, all the vegetables, cereals, grains, pulses, etc. These all types of food we get from the various portion of a plant. And for example, we eat leafy vegetables, we eat fruits and some parts of plant like stem and root. Now you can see in the figure here the root part we eat in carrot and beetroot, and in second figure you can see potato and onion. These both are underground stems that we eat. Now animal source. Animal products used as food, we get meat from animals like goat, chicken, pork, fish, etc. These all are the part of a non-vegetarian diet. Second is egg. Eggs of hen, duck, goose like meat are also part of non-vegetarian diet. Milk. All the dairy products we get from cow, buffalo, camel, goat in a dairy farms. And honey bees. Bees collect nectar from flowers and convert into a honey. In this picture you can see the food we get from the animals. Okay. Now what are the various parts of plant that we eat? There are the few examples: roots, stems, leaves. fruits में example roots में beets, carrots, radish, turnip, ginger. stem part में broccoli, bamboo shoots, sugarcane, potato. leaves में spinach, lettuce, etc. and fruits, you know all the fruits. edible flowers में broccoli head, cauliflower head, etc. These all are the parts of the plant that we eat. Do you know what is sprouting? Sprouting is a process by which seeds shoot out small white structure as way of growth is called sprouting. There is one activity given in your textbook. You can do this in your home also, at your home also. You put a small quantity of seed in a container that is filled with water and leave this aside for a day, and next day what you do, drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel and wrap them with a piece of wet cloth and set aside. Now next day what will you find out? A small white structure may have grown out of the seed. This is called sprouting seeds. Okay. Now what is nectar? Bees collect nectar from flowers, sweet juices. Nectar is the sweet juices. Bees collect them from flowers and convert it into honey and store it in their hives. This is called nectar. Okay, now what are enzymes? Enzymes is defined as a chemical substance. These are the chemicals that helps in bringing about changes to certain other substances without undergoing any change in themselves, like process of converting milk to curd, that is done by the enzyme. Enzymes are the chemical substance. Now what do animals eat? What do animals eat? Animals classified into three broad categories in terms of what they eat, as you can see in the image above. There are the three categories: group 1, group 2, group 3. Group 1 is herbivorous animal, group 2 carnivores, and third is omnivores. Now herbivorous animals, herbivores are animals which eat only plants or plant products, and carnivores, there are some animals which eat other animals, these are called carnivores. And omnivores are who eat both plants and animals, that are called omnivores. Okay, now scavenger, an animal that eats only the flesh of animals that are already dead, जो already dead है, that is called scavenger. Decomposer, an organism that feeds on and decomposes dead animals that and plants, is called decomposer. Who are decomposers? Or these are the small organism that feeds on and decompose, they decompose dead animals and plants, that are called decomposer. So this is your chapter food, where does it come from, and I have covered all the topics. Hope you all like my video. If you like, so please you subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.